TC Graphic.
Exploring creativity daily.
Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. This channel is TC Graphic. Alright, so today we're going to design thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created this and how you can possibly create your own to fit into whatever you want. Okay, and again in this video I'm going to show you how to enhance the quality of your design. So when you are done creating a flyer here in your Pixellab, you don't just go ahead and send it because the quality is not always the way you want it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve the quality so that it can meet your client's test. All right, so that if they are printing it, it's going to be as bright as you want it. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get to the video. All right, so first thing I want to do when you open your Pixellab is to come to this square tool, click there, then click image size. You can do it two ways. Either you do that way, or you come to this place, click here, and you come to image size, whichever one you're using. Okay, then click here, this custom. Okay, click it and come to YouTube thumbnail, select it. So it's either you select it or you type it by yourself. So the width is 1280, while the height is 720. All right, so that is the first thing you do. Okay, so having done that, so you now come to the same place, this square shape. So click on color, you select. So when you click, yours is going to be like this. So click on gradient, so click here. All right, so use the default selection already. So click this one, and I'm going to select this color I have here, touch the edge of this flyer, and you have it. So see the color I'm using. So I'll show you the color code. So the color code is 020434. Okay, so in your own case, for you to get it, let's assume you write it down. So you come here and type it. Okay, type this color code. That's how to insert color code. So click OK, and you have exactly this color. All right, so you have this. So come to this place and click this one now, and come here. All right, I'll pick the second color, which is this center color here. All right, so we have something like this. Okay, we are good to go. All right, we are good to go. I want to increase it like this a little bit. Yes, this is what I want. So let me show you the color code. 120683. Okay, so they are not the same. You can see the center is more bright, it's brighter. Okay, so we have something like this. Good. So another thing I did is to now bring this man. So you now come here. This is how to import. Click on this hexagon shape. So now come to import. It will take you to your gallery. So once it takes you to your gallery, you now search for the image you're looking for and you bring it. So here is mine. I've selected this image. You just click OK and you have it here. All right, so increase the size a little bit. So just fix it here. So come to color filter. Always touch your picture because it might not be what you want. Okay, so I'll always increase the contrast, brightness a little bit. So like something like this. You see how sharper the image is now looking. Okay, so put it here, and I'll go ahead and okay, I have it like this. So I'll go ahead and lock it. So another thing I'm going to do is to pick my text tool and I'll write thumbnail. All right, thumbnail. All right. Okay, so come to fonts, and I'm going to make use of this font. The font is called, so for those of you that are just newbies, so this is your default font. So for you to have this font I'm using, you need to add it. Okay, so go down to my videos. I have a video that teaches how to install all these premium fonts. Okay, how to download it and install it, you know, on your Pixellab here. All right, so go and watch it. I have other interesting videos. Just scroll down, subscribe, and search for those videos. All right, thank you. So you click search for Bibas. So I'm going to use this one, Bibas New Pro Body Italic. So we have the regular, but I'm using italic one. So I'm going to make use of, I've selected this already. All right, so after doing that, I'm going to select this color. I'm going to make use of this color. but then let me just be sure I'm using the exact color. So you can, I've selected this. So see the color code FEB005. All right, so, and it is like this. Okay, so next thing you're going to do is to come to size. Go to rotate, and you want to make it -11 like this. All right. Yeah, I think it's too much, so I want to rotate it a little bit, kind of down like this. Okay, so having done this, you can just make a copy. Let me hide this so that you won't be distracted. So make a copy, and I'm going to write YouTube. Okay, so capital letter. You reduce the size of this one, and then this one is going to be a white color. All right, select white color. Now I'm doing this because definitely your own thumbnail is not going to be exactly like this, but this gives you an idea of how to manipulate, come up with your own idea. Whatever you want to add here, you can add it, especially for those of you that are YouTubers but you don't have the idea of graphic design. So with this, you can be able to design whatever you want to design as regards to your thumbnail. And the app is called Pixellab. The app we are using is called Pixellab. So go to Play Store, download it, and you're good to go. And if you want to master graphic design so that you'll be doing more, you sign up to my master class. It's called End with Design. All right, so you just DM me. My number is there. Check my YouTube page, check those things, and you're going to get my number, then my WhatsApp number, and you will be able to sign up. Okay, all right, so once you have something like this, next thing you're going to do is to create this shape. This is how to create a custom shape. All right, so once that is done, you can reduce the size to fit perfectly the way you want it to fit in. So come to rotate, and I'll rotate it like this. Let's say 9. All right, have something like this. So I'm going to come to shape again, and I'll click and select this. All right, so I'll rotate like this, and then sorry about that. Okay, put it like this. This is how to create this kind of shape. All right, so you are good to go. You're good to go. You see how nice it's looking? So you can lock them, and then you pick your text tool and write come and learn how to design. Come and learn how to design. So something like this, as simple as that is. So you just rotate it and make the color. You won't see it because the color is white, so you have to change the color to black. All right, so, and go to font and make use of a simple font. Yeah, let's make use of Deja Vu Sans. Don't mind me, Deja Vu Sans condensed. So this one. All right, so I'm gonna make use of this, or you can just use Montserrat. So after rotating to fit in perfectly, you can come to this alignment and make it center position. Okay, I want to be sure that my rotation is perfect. Okay, all right, so good. We are good to go. All right, so I have something like this. See that? Perfect. So once that is done, I want to now go ahead and bring the YouTube icon. Okay, go ahead, go to import as well, and go and bring it. All right, so you can see it. Maybe I'll send it across. You can see I've blurred it already. You can see it's blurred. So these are things you learn in the masterclass, how to achieve all of this. Okay, so but then I'll send all these resources. Okay, in the description, you can access it and make use of it. Okay, your own videos. All right, so I'll take you to the back. So click to back. All right, so let me lock this too. So you can now touch this and reduce the size to fit in. All right, so for YouTubers, don't take this class I'm sorry, take this class very serious, okay, because your thumbnail plays a greater role in your YouTube videos, so you need your thumbnail to be as attractive as possible. Okay, so make a copy and I'll take this one down here, take it down here and place it somewhere here. So let's compare with the one I have here and see the if there's any difference. So we have something like this. Okay, so you see how it is looking, so I'll just place it somewhere here. You see that? You see that? So perfect. You see, we are good to go. So I'll go ahead and add my, okay, let me now show you how I did this one again. So come here and I'll write my YouTube channel name, which is TC Graphic. All right, so I'll add this Y. I will tell you why I'm adding that Y, so you leave it small letter. Okay, so now come to font and I'll select only TC Graphic, and I'm going to make use of this font called Beepers New Regular. All right, so reduce the size, then go to font again and I'll select only the Y, and I'm going to make use of font 101. So that is how it's icon font, so that is for YouTube. All right, if you are learning something, please type in the comment section and tell me how excited you are. Okay, so come here and choose this up, sorry, so come to color and select only the Y and choose this red, you know, because it is YouTube, right? So I'll now come here and reduce the size very small, and I'll bring it down here. Okay, so you need something like this too in your own videos. You need that if you're making your own a thumbnail, rather, not videos. Okay, so that is how it is. So you can just use it to customize whatever you want to write, add how to bring in pictures and all that, and that's all. So I'll go ahead and save this video and we'll head over to another software I'm going to use to improve the quality of this design, and that software is called Lightroom. Okay, now we have Lightroom Pro, we have normal Lightroom you are going to get in your Play Store, but then you won't be able to access some features. So if you need the Pro version of the Lightroom, kindly subscribe to this channel, screenshot it and send to me on WhatsApp, and I'll give you the Lightroom Pro, and you'll be able to carry out the kind of editing you want. So without wasting much of our time, I'll go ahead and save. This is how to save. Once that is done, you head over to your Lightroom. Okay, so this is my Lightroom. You see how it looks. So I'll click on it. So Lightroom, it opens up. So you click on this place, photos on device. So I'll click it like this to select. So I'll come to my Pixellab. All right, so I'll click here and see the design I just made here. See it here, this one here. All right, so like I said earlier, you need the Pro version, because if you download the one there on Play Store, you might not, your interface might not be as exactly at this one. So I'll select this one here, so allow it, so it comes up. So you can see right down here, you can see I can access all the features. Present, crop, but if you download the one there on Play Store, you won't be able to access all these features. All right, so like I said earlier, hit me up with the evidence that you are part of our family by subscribing and liking this video. You can as well share it to your friends, and you have access to the Lightroom Pro version. So click edit, so come to light. All right, you can just work on the contrast a little bit. Now this is not compulsory, it depends on you. Okay, contrast brings the shyness, you know. What highlight does is that it makes the white part to be more whitish. That's what it does. That's any white part of your design, it makes it to be more whiter. All right, okay, so that is it. So I'll come to color. You can see we have temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation. So see what saturation does, but I won't recommend you do this. You know, saturation just makes most of your colors to be shouty, bringing it out, you know, but I don't normally make use of it. Just leave it at 0. Leave it at 0. All right, so I make use of vibrance sometimes. It has a way, what vibrance does, that it harmonates your colors if you have color combo in your design, it has a way of harmonizing everything. Just add a little bit of it. All right, tints and temperature just to make it more warm and all that. So but I won't make use of it here. So you can come to effect and clarity. This is clarity. If you increase it more, you see what it does to your design. So don't apply it too much. So you can just add a little bit, and it has a way of making your design look so dark. So you can just add 2, 3 or 4, whatever, depending. So now come to details, and you can increase to maximum. Then this one can as well apply max a little bit, mask, yeah, rather. So we see what we have. So you can now go ahead and save your work. So how do you save? Click here and click to save, copy, and that's all. So that's the end of the video. And when you now go to your gallery, you'll be able to access it. You can see this is my Lightroom gallery. So you can see all the designs I made here. So you can see how clean it's looking. So that is it. So subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.